Have you ever wondered how solar panels work? They're not just sleek, shiny objects on rooftops, but a remarkable technology harnessing sunlight to produce electricity. Solar panels, also known as photovoltaic panels, are truly a marvel of modern science. They operate using a fascinating process called the photovoltaic effect, which allows them to convert sunlight into electricity. How does this happen, you ask? Well, when sunlight strikes the surface of a solar panel, it excites electrons in the silicon cells within. This excitement gets these electrons moving, and as they move, they create an electric current. This electric current is then captured and directed through wires, transforming the energy of the sun into usable electricity. So what you see as a simple, shiny surface is actually a complex process of energy conversion at work, harnessing the power of the sun. The electric current captured and directed through wires results in usable electricity for homes, businesses, and more. Now, you might be wondering about the science behind this process. How exactly does sunlight turn into electricity? Well, let's break it down. At the heart of a solar panel, you'll find multiple silicon cells. These aren't just any cells though, they contain layers of silicon that have been doped with different materials to create a positive and negative charge. Think of these as the solar panel's mini power stations. So, what happens when sunlight hits these silicon cells? It's quite remarkable. The energy from the sun actually knocks loose electrons, causing a bit of a stir within the cell. This creates an electric imbalance between the positive and negative layers. It's like a mini electrical storm right there in each cell. But here's where the magic happens. This imbalance doesn't just stay within the cell, it creates an electric field, a sort of invisible force field. This field causes the electrons to flow in a single direction, and when electrons start moving, that's when we get electricity. But how does this electricity get from the solar panel to, say, your toaster? That's where conductive metal plates on the sides of the cells come in. They capture this electricity and transfer it out of the solar panel, ready to power up your homes and offices. So there you have it. Sunlight goes in, electricity comes out. It's a beautiful example of science in action, turning the power of the sun into something we can use every day. Solar panels are more than just an intriguing scientific marvel. They bring numerous benefits to our planet and our lives. Let's dive into these advantages, starting with their renewable nature. Unlike finite resources such as fossil fuels, solar panels harness the endless power of sunlight. This means we can continually generate electricity without ever worrying about running out of our energy source. But the sustainability of solar panels doesn't stop there. They also produce clean energy. Unlike traditional power sources, no greenhouse gases or harmful pollutants are emitted during their operation. This makes solar panels not just a smart choice, but an environmentally friendly one. Now let's talk about the financial benefits. Solar panels can significantly reduce electricity bills by generating power right where it's needed: your home. This is particularly impactful in areas with plenty of sunlight, where residents can harness the sun's power to its fullest potential. Lastly, let's consider energy independence. With solar panels, we can reduce our reliance on centralized power grids. This not only allows us to better control our energy consumption, but also increases resilience in the face of power outages. In a world where energy demands are continually increasing, this independence is more critical than ever. Solar panels are an integral part of our sustainable future, and understanding how they work can help us make the most of this incredible technology.